Morning children, welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have demonstrated the next page of the same chapter, the wise men of Ramnagar. Today I am going to demonstrate the rest of the part of the same chapter. So I am going to explain it very clearly, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. I hope that the story is very simple, very easy, so it is good for you to go through the chapter one more time, read it properly so you can understand the lesson very well. There is nothing tough and the story is very easy. When you listen it properly, you can understand that the chapter is normally very easy and interesting chapter. So students, please read the chapter one more time and go through the whole chapter. So today I am going to explain it completely. And you have to find out the hard words and their meanings also, students. So I can ask you in the class group or personally also children. So you have to learn it and read it properly. Okay children, let's begin with the rest of the part of the same chapter. Lesson 8, the wise men of Ramnagar. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed up to this. This is your lesson number 8, the wise men of Ramnagar. 2 pages I have already demonstrated, this page and this page. So yesterday as I have told you that some pupils are coming from the town to see the pupil of Ramnagar. And what are they doing? The pupil of Ramnagar, 2 men were busily working on the trunk. Each had a small pen knife in his hand and was cutting the wood. Means they are taking the pen knife and cutting the trunk of the tree. They were working so hard that the sweat was pouring off their foreheads. Means they are working so hard that sweat was pouring from their head. So I am continuing with this page. This is your page number 93. Come to this page children. What are they doing? Asked one of the men from the town. As you all know that from the men from the town are coming to see the pupil of Ramnagar. So they are asking that what are they doing? These 2 persons are busily doing their work, and men from town are asking the question that what are they doing? Why they are cutting down the tree? Replied one of the villagers, can't you see? Means they are asking that why they are cutting down the tree. People from the town. Then people from the village are replying that can't you see? With pen knife, asks the townsman. See, they are cutting the tree with the help of pen knife. Yes, said a villager in the crowd. We always cut down the trees with pen knives. Then some people from the village saying that yes, we always cut down the trees with the help of pen knives. But it will take a year or 2, said the townsman. Townsman said that it take time of a year to cut the tree. Yes, replied the villager, it is slow, but it is a good method, it always works. Means it is slow process, but it is a good method, it always works. It is replied by the villager. The men from the town were quite astonished. They went back to their town. Soon the news about the villagers and their odd behavior spread like wildfire. Means this, they are astonished means surprised seeing this people from the town. They went back to their town. Soon the news about the villagers and their odd behavior spread there like wildfire. Means with the help of the people from the town, the news was spread like a wildfire. Means like a fire in the forest. The people of the Ramnagar are quite mad, the townsfolk said. Means the people of the Ramnagar are totally mad, the townsfolk said about them. The news is even reached the district officer. Now the district officer also came to know that the people of Ramnagar are becoming totally mad. What's all this about? Asked the district officer. Are the people of Ramnagar really mad? Now district officer is also asking that the people of Ramnagar are really mad. Yes, indeed they are, replied his chief clerk. Now, chief clerk replied the answer that they are totally mad. They make water out of the river with a cup and they cut down the trees with penknives. Means how they are doing the mad work. With the help of penknife, they are cutting the tree, and with the help of a cup, they are taking out the water from the river. They are quite crazy. Are they dangerous? Asked the district officer nervously. Are they dangerous? Dio is asking. I don't know, said the clerk. Clerk said that I don't know they are dangerous or not, but they are totally mad. The following day, the district officer and a few of the other important people of the town went to Ramnagar to find out more. The following day, now days are crossing, district officer and a few other important people of the town went to Ramnagar to find out more. The following day means after 2-3 days, the district officer and some people of town go to Ramnagar to find out more about the people of Ramnagar. When they got there, they saw a long line of women walking to and from a large ant hill. Means some women are walking through the ant hill. Ant hill means it's a small hill, and they are marching as like a ant march in the group. Each woman was carrying a basket. The first woman in the line stepped up to the ant hill and took an ant from the moist earth. Now the people from the town come there, and they see that the women are catching the ants and putting one ant from the moist earth. Then she put the ant in her basket and carried it away. Now one by one they are taking one ant in her basket and carried it away. What are they doing? Now the people from the town are asking that what are they doing? Asked the astonished district officer. District officer also astonished means surprised. They are carrying away ants. They are carrying away ants. This is replied by the villagers. Replied a man standing nearby. There is a man. He is replying that they are carry away the ants from there. Why? Asked the district officer. Now the district officer is asking that why they are doing this. Because ants are very dangerous, said the man. They eat everything. We must carry them away. Now the answer replied by the villagers that ants are very dangerous, said the man. They eat everything. He's saying that they eat everything. That's why we must carry them away. But one in each basket. He's answering that one in each basket. Why? Cried the district officer. That's ridiculous. Means it is ridiculous to bear. We always do it that way, replied the man. Now the man is answering that we always do like the same. It's slow, but it's a good method. It always works. He said that it is a slow process, but it is a good method and it always works. When the district officer returned to the town, he called a meeting. Now district officer came back to the town and he called a meeting. I have been to Ramnagar, he announced. He said that I have been come from Ramnagar, and he announced the people, they are quite mad. Now they are saying that the people from the Ramnagar are quite totally mad. So they take out water of the river with a cup. They cut down the trees with penknives and they carry away ants one by one. They are lunatics. Lunatics means one type of mad persons. Don't go near them. Don't go near them because they are totally mad. But sir, said one of the secretaries, our new road is going to go right past Ramnagar. He is saying that the new road is going to be built. It is going past through the Ramnagar. Then change the plans, wrote the district officer. District officer is saying now change the plan. No road will be passed by the Ramnagar. We shall build the road along the top of the hill. He is saying that we shall build the road along of the top of the hill, but it is not passed through the Ramnagar. It must not be constructed near that village. So the road was built along the top of the hill and did not go anywhere near Ramnagar. Now, the people of Ramnagar are succeeded in their plan. The people from the town said that road will be built but not go anywhere near the Ramnagar. The people of the village plowed their fields and went back to an undisturbed way of life. Now the people of Ramnagar plowed their fields. Plowed means they are planting the small trees in their fields and went back to their undisturbed way of life. Now no disturbance is there. Undisturbed means no disturbance. They were not mad at all. They were very wise. So the theme of the story is the people of Ramnagar were very wise. They are not mad. They thought of a plan and they succeeded in their plan. So what you all have to do, you all have to go through the chapter. Okay, whole chapter. Read it again and again so it will be more clear to you all. Okay, students? And it is written by David Horsburgh. You all have to go through the chapter. It is when you read one more time, it will be more clear to you. And what is your homework? You all have to find out the hard words and mark it into the book and find out their meanings also. Okay, students? Thank you, beta.